Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set up the Dreame Vacuum L40 Ultra for the first time. So as you can see, I have a totally fresh new device, just unboxed it, and now I'm gonna show you how you can set up it from the beginning. Okay, in the first step we have to remove the protections from the right and left side of the vacuum. Remember, you have to also you have to also remove the stickers, because on the front side we have the main sensor, and on the left side I think we have okay, there we have the charging socket. So remove every sticker from your appliance, and now we can go to the dock station. With this one we have to insert the extension, so just pull it until you hear the click. Then we can go to the detergent shelf, remove that, and on the right side we have the dust bag, so check that you have it inserted correctly. Then on the left side we have the container for the detergent, and now you can use the detergent like you want, but in the accessory you should find the bottle like this one. This is a cleaning solution, and you can refill this container to the max level. Just open it, and as you can see there are the hole to refill it with the detergent. Then put it back. Okay, I see I have some problem with the dust box. Okay, now it's good. We can close the cover, and now your vacuum should have the battery enough to turn it on. But if you don't have the battery in your appliance, we can just put it to the dock station by the charging sockets to the dock station. Okay, now we can turn on the appliance. I just turned it on before, so just hold the power button, the middle button, and now we can pair it with the smartphone app. So I have Android, so now I'm gonna show you how you can do it in the Android, but in the iOS the process is very similar. In the first step we have to open the Play Store. Okay, sorry, the update. Now in the bottom bar, click on the search and look for the Dreame or Xiaomi Home app. I'm using the Dreame app. Then install it, this app with the big D, and open it. Okay, if you're opening this app for the first time, you have to register your account or log in by the Google or Facebook. Then click on the three-dot icon and tap on the Add Appliance. Sorry, just give me a short second. I have to change the language of the application. If you need to change the language, you have to change the language of your system. Okay, now the application should work in the English also. And now click on the three-dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on the Add Device. Now you can scan the QR code on the robot or add it manually. If you want to add it manually, just tap on the... Sorry, I'm gonna delete the previous vacuum. And now we can scan the QR code or click on the plus add to add it manually. We have to turn on the Bluetooth, so tap on the switcher. And now we are looking for the L40 Ultra. Okay, make sure that you turn on the robot, click on the next. Now we have to hold two sides button for 3 seconds to reset the network connection. So let's turn on the appliance. Okay, that is a standby mode, so just give me a second. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, now we have to hold two side buttons to reset the network settings.
Waiting for the network configuration.
Okay, as you can see, we successfully reset the Wi-Fi network, so click on the checker and click on the next. Then we have to enter the password to our Wi-Fi network. Okay, we're gonna try to connect it. Okay, and if you see that nothing happened, just open the top bar and hold the Wi-Fi button. Okay, we don't have also it here, so it's nobody say it's gonna be easy operation. So let's try to reset network again.
Waiting for the network configuration.
I'm gonna try once again, so I'm gonna go back, select the checker once again, click on the next, tap it OK. Okay, and now we can scan the QR code on applies, but for me it's never works, so I'm gonna try to connect it by the Wi-Fi. So connect by hotspot. And now if nothing happened and you are not directed to the Wi-Fi settings, open the top bar, hold the Wi-Fi icon and connect it manually in the Dreame vacuum.
Robot and phone connected.
Okay, the robot
Return to app to wait for
and
the
phone is connected. Now we are waiting to connect the appliance to the Wi-Fi network by the password that we entered before.
network connection failed. Please try again later.
Okay, as you can hear, this is a file, so I'm gonna try to connect it once again. Sometimes you may have problems with this for the first time. So let's try again. The network is resetted, so we're gonna try. Okay, once again to the hotspot.
Robot and phone connected. Please return to app to wait for the result. Seconded off before starting tap.
Okay, so I
Start charging.
connect the Wi-Fi successfully. I just made the cut because we didn't have time. What I did, I just opened the cover of the appliance, and as you can see, there we have the button to hard reset. You have to just push this button with the thick tool until you hear the waiting for the factory reset. Then I just started the connection process exactly same like before with the Wi-Fi network, and now it works. So sometimes you have to just reset your appliance before the connecting. As you can see, sometimes there are problems. So okay, we can click on the next, type the name of the appliance, and as you can see, now we can start to set up the application. But you can how to do it, what you should do now, you can check on another video how to map your location, create the map and start the cleaning. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.